I would like you to fill in this number line. So there's 105. I just counted to 105. I want you to write in the next 5 numbers that occur after 105. So if I was counting up 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, what would my next number be? The following number, the number after that, the number after that, and the number after that. The next 5 numbers. Okay? You can see that. Okay. So I stopped at 105. I want to know the next 5 numbers after 105. So if I was counting up by ones, I want to know the next 5 numbers. When you're finished, put your hands on your head.
What do we do on the
Hands on our head. Okay. Pokaż mi swoje prace in 3, 2, 1. Great job, Riley. Great job, Zoe. Carson, good. Gage, good. George, good. Cameron, I'd like to see your work. Egypt, I'd like to see yours. Aubrey, Emmy, good. Alice, good. Easy, good. Gage. Vita, did I see yours, girly? So we're counting on after 105. Cam, can I see your work, dude?
There's not a pencil in here.
Okay, but what do we need to bring to every Google Meet we come to? A pencil and paper. So go ahead and grab something, okay? Go find a pencil somewhere and come back. Okay, Egypt, question, girl.
I do not have a pencil or a piece of paper or a board.
Okay, go find one. Find something. Pen, anything. Vito, careful, good, but remember when we're counting on, we're going to 10. You can't put that 0 in there. Okay, so if I have 105, who could raise their hand and tell me what number comes after 105? Easy, what number comes after 105?
106.
Good. Carson, what number comes after 106?
107.
Great job, girlie. We practiced this yesterday. Good job. That's right, 107. What number comes after 107? Rye.
108.
Good job, Darren. I see you. 108, that's right. Who could tell me what number comes after 108? Alice.
109.
109, right. And Aubrey, could you help me? What number comes after 109?
110.
110. Now be careful. This is what I was talking about with Vita and some So a couple other people, I noticed this. Okay, remember, Vita, when we're going from 109 to 110, we don't put a 0 in there, because if we had a hundreds, tens, and ones chart, remember, if I did 109 and I added one more, this would make this 0, and you have to carry the 1 over here. Okay, so it's 110. All right, awesome job, guys. Okay, let's keep plugging away. We're going to do one more counting on, just to make sure, just for the next couple days, just to practice. Okay, starting at 159. Go ahead and count on. Next 5 numbers I just counted. 155, 157, 100. Whoop, I skipped a number. 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 100. What would it be? You're telling me the next 5 numbers that come after that. Now, and I will stop talking. I'll give you time to work, I promise, okay? When we're counting in the hundreds, if the numbers like 59, 60, 40, 30, any of those, you can always just think in your head, okay, what number comes after 59? What number comes after that? And you're just going to add the hundreds place to it every time. Okay? So just remember that it's only when you shift a decade or shift up to 10 or you shift up to a different hundreds place. But it's a little bit easier sometimes if you know you can just add in the 100 after the fact. Okay, now I'll stop talking. When you're finished, put your hands on your head.
What do you do when we're done again?
Hands on your head. Good question. There's 59. Pretend there was 100 in front of it. 59, what number comes next? 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 Okay, just remember that. I saw some panicked faces going on.
What do you do when you're done?
Put your hands on your head. Okay. Pokaż mi swoje prace in 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Cam, make sure you do this one too, dude. Good job, Darren. Good job, Gage, Zoe, Easy, Emmy. Close, Carson. Good. George. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry. Your 6s looked like 0s from far away. Okay. Good job, Cam. Yep. I see you now. Thanks, dude. Good job, Riley. Okay. So, 159. If I'm counting in my head, 59. What number comes after 159? Darren. Darren.
160.
160, 160, right. What number comes after 160 or 160, Riley?
160,
61. So 159, 160, 161. What comes after 161? Cameron? Cameron, what number comes after 161?
162.
162. What number comes after 162, George?
162.
Uh-huh.
163.
163, right. What number comes after 163, Alice?
164.
Right, good. So 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164. But did you see, I added the hundreds in there. All I had to do was go 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. And then the hundreds were added to it. So, another little tip or trick. All right, awesome. Now we're getting to the bear of the lesson that I know all of you just love so much, but we gotta learn how to solve them. It's important. Okay, the first one, I wrote them down so that on some poster paper, so it would be a little easier on us to solve. And then I'll give myself some space over here to solve. Don't worry, we'll still have time to do Go Noodle with Emmy. Okay. Ryan had 90 toy cars. He donated 40 toy cars to a school fundraiser. How many toy cars does Ryan have now? Okay. Ryan had 90 toy cars. He donated 40 toy cars to a school fundraiser. How many toy cars does Ryan have now? So Ryan had 90. Okay, you don't have to write down this word problem. No worries. Ryan had 90. He donated 40 toy cars to a school fundraiser. Now, if I'm donating something, okay, am I adding it to my collection or am I taking it away from my collection or giving it away? I'm giving it away, that's right, so I'm subtracting. So what is my first number in my equation? What is my first number in my equation? Who could help me? He had 90 toy cars. Gage, what is it, dude?
90.
90, right. First number in my equation is 90. Okay. I guess I can move this over just a little bit more to like here-ish. Woo! Falling off the wall. That's okay. We'll make it work. Okay. 90. I'll fix it. Minus, how many did he donate? How many toy cars did he donate? How many toy cars did Ryan donate? Vita.
40.
40. He donated 40. That's right. So 90 minus 40, okay, equals, do we know how many he has now? No. So what is that? That's the symbol for... Man, I'm losing you guys today. Symbol for the unknown number. We need to get some more energy. Woo. 90 minus 40 equals unknown. Now, how could we solve this problem? Can you draw 90 dots and take them away? Take away 40. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds. I need cameras on and I need eyeballs on me. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. No more playing with balloons. No more messing around. We gotta focus. Okay? We have to focus. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that. 90 minus 40. Can I draw 90 dots and take 40 away? No, I cannot. There are 2 different ways to solve this problem. I can solve this problem one way. I'm going to do both ways. Here's the first way. I can draw a tens and ones chart and draw 90 in it and subtract 40 from it. So see, I can draw 90 and I can subtract 40. Do 0 minus 0, 9 minus 4, and I'll find out my unknown. I could also solve it this way. Same thing, draw tens and ones chart, but instead draw 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I could take away 4 tens, or 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. And then I would count how many tens I have left. I would like you to pick one of these strategies to solve this problem. Tell me the answer. I should see an equation, a strategy, and an answer. When you're finished with your work, put your hands on your head.
What did nobody done?
When you're done, put your hands on your head.
Miss Cooper,
Yes.
I can't see the top. I can't see
See what top?
what do we do when we're done?
Hands on our head. It's all there. Everything you need to see is on the board. And we're going to do another one. And I don't know if I'm losing attention because you all know how to do it. So we're going to do another one. And I'm going to have y'all solve it. I don't really know what else to do. And that stinks for the people that are paying attention. Because it's not fair to them. Okay. Pokaż mi swoje prace in 3, 2, 1. Thank you, George. Thank you, Riley. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you, Emmy. Thank you, Alice. Thank you, Darren. Thank you, Bristol. Thank you, Cameron. Thank you, Vita. Thank you, Carson. Careful, I think you added instead of subtracted. Thank you, Easy. Okay. Thanks to my friends who did it, I'm giving y'all dojos. Whoever showed me their work is getting dojos. Thank you, Gage. Okay. That's right. If I took 0 minus 0, that's 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, 50. Same thing here. I had 9 tens. I took away 4. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay? So 50 is my answer. 90 minus 40 is 50. All right. We'll work on those in small group. Okay. Whew. I know we're tired. I know it's been a long couple of weeks here, but we gotta make sure that we're still working hard. Okay. The end is in sight, friends. The end is in sight. But we got a lot of work to do before we get there. Okay. Work first, then play. Mandy and Derek were making bracelets. Mandy made 4 bracelets. Derek made 10 bracelets. How many more bracelets did Derek make than Mandy? So, Mandy and Derek were making bracelets. Mandy made 4 bracelets. Okay? Derek, he made 10. He's a good bracelet maker. He made 10 bracelets. How many more bracelets? How many more did Derek make than Mandy? Now, all I want you to do, I'm going to read the word problem again. I just want you to write an equation for how we could solve this problem. Mandy and Derek were making bracelets. Okay? So they were making bracelets. Here's Mandy. Okay? Mandy made 4. Okay? Those are her bracelets. Derek, on the other hand, Derek made 10. I want to know how many more Derek made than Mandy. So I would like only an equation. Just write the equation. You don't have to solve it yet. I just want the equation for this word problem. Mandy and Derek were making bracelets. Mandy made 4 bracelets. Derek made 10 bracelets. How many more bracelets did Derek make than Mandy? Just the equation. When you're finished, put your hands on your head. Just the equation. When you're finished, put your hands on your head. Just the equation. Mandy made 4. Derek made 10. How many more did Derek make than Mandy? Just the equation. Not yet, Zoe. Not yet. Pokaż mi słodzia prace in 3, 2, 1. Show me your equation. I just wanted the equation. Thanks, Rye. Thanks, George. Thanks, Cam. Thanks, Gage. Thanks, Carson. Zoe, can I see your equation, girl? Careful, okay. Good, Zoe. Good, Darren. Okay, we're going to talk about this. I don't want to know how many they have all together. Okay, if I was asking how many they had all together, I would say how many do they have together? Then my equation would be 10 plus 4. I want to know how many more Derek has than Mandy. So if Mandy has 4, okay, that means if I'm asking how many more, Derek has the most. Derek has the most. He's the greatest number. He has the most. So he is the sum. Okay? And if I want to know how many more he made than her, I want to know how many more it took to get to him. So this equation matches this word problem. Now to solve this, you could change the word problem, the equation, to 10 minus 4 equals unknown. You could also do that to see how many. If Derek did 10, you could take away 4 to get this many. Okay? But the equation that really matches this word problem is 4 plus unknown equals 10, because Derek has the most. He has 10. And I want to know how many more Mandy would need to create to get to Derek. Okay? So how many more did Derek make than Mandy? Now I would like you to solve this problem. Now that we have our equation, you can do 4 plus unknown equals 10, or 10 minus 4 equals unknown. Now solve this problem. The reason it's not both of them and you're adding them together is because it's asking how many more. It's not asking how many they have together. They want to know how many more. This is very similar to when you would line up 10 and then line up 4 and then do the lines down to see how many were left.
What do you do when we're done?
Hands on your head for now. I got some confused faces. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to go through this one and solve it. It's asking how many more. It's not asking how many together. How many more did Derek have than Mandy? This is how many more. Okay, we could draw a number line. We could start at 4. I'm going to hop till I get to 10, so I'm going to count up down here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are my hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. You're not combining them. We're talking about how many more. Okay? We'll talk about this more in small group. Okay, friends. Let's go ahead and let's do some Go Noodle. Before we leave here, Miss Emmy, what would you like to do for a Go Noodle, girlie?